Listen carefully, as the following presentation just might significantly improve the quality of your life. If you experience muscle cramps in your back caused by a sports injury or improper posture while sitting, suffer from recurring back pain or herniated discs, feel strong radiating pain running from your buttocks down to your feet, and your mobility is limited due to arthritis or excruciating pain in your hips, then all the issues you have been facing until this very moment will soon become a thing of the past. Are you seriously concerned about your health issues and want your normal, pain-free life back? Last year, we helped 16,747 sciatic nerve and back pain sufferers to completely regain their full mobility. Hi there, my name is John McPherson, and I've cured myself from axial back pain while defeating sciatica without a single pill or injection. I am an official health coach teaching this breakthrough approach to doctors, chiropractors, and fitness gurus in the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. Turning 61 3 years ago, I was diagnosed with chronic sciatica and a severe form of axial pain in my lower back. My situation got so serious that I was often forced to use a wheelchair.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,
the horrible immobility and constant fear of experiencing excruciating pain got me close to a psychic breakdown. I wasn't feeling like a valid member of my own family anymore. I couldn't work around my house or meet my friends downtown, play my favorite sports, or pursue my own passions that were keeping me alive for decades. I was ready to accept the pain as just part of my life. Life in retirement was nothing more than a nightmare, and as much as I hate to say it, I don't like doctor visits at all. Despite my terrible physical and mental state, undergoing any form of mainstream medical treatment the doctor suggested was not on my list. I decided to look for answers outside contemporary Western medical treatments. I believed there had to be some less invasive solution to my persistent health issues. Deep in my heart, I felt that once a person starts taking pills, epidural injections, or decides to have lumbar surgery, things only get worse. In addition, medical treatments and chiropractic adjustments cost a lot of money and time. With a clear purpose in mind, I started to browse the internet and look for possible alternatives. Countless hours and days spent behind my keyboard, I literally turned the whole internet inside out. All I was able to find was the same repetitive information, suggesting regular exercises and a few websites promoting pain-relieving miracle pills. I tried them all. Unfortunately, their beneficial effects on my health were, at best, only temporary. Lucky for me, all this changed in an instant. One evening, after 6 months of being in a vicious cycle leading nowhere, I was switching TV channels at home when I stumbled upon a Japanese TV channel broadcasting a live show with a group of purported healing experts. Next to them were 10 people apparently suffering from severe sciatic nerve and back pain symptoms. From children, adolescents, to seniors up to 85 years of age, men and women, all of them were in the group. Most of them could barely stand on their feet, and I could read what they had been going through from their faces. 3 adults were sitting in wheelchairs. When the initial interview was over, the medical experts had them all drink some kind of herbal remedy. Afterwards, the patients were assisted as they lay down face up on the floor. A stopwatch was set to exactly 3 minutes. Patients were guided through a simple routine consisting of 3 easy-to-assume static positions. Every minute, the experts slowly changed their postures from one to the next by moving their knees into different positions. Then, something amazing happened. When the watch beeped 180 seconds later, the volunteers were told to stand up without any help at all. I watched in disbelief. I was firmly convinced not one of them would be able to stand up on their own, and I was dead wrong. Slowly but surely, all of them made it up on their feet without any support whatsoever. There was a lot of obvious relief and excitement on their faces. I was shocked. At first, I thought this was all some kind of prank. They had just gone through a special procedure the experts had been using to cure top government officials and Olympic athletes to quickly get them back to work. Could an herbal remedy coupled with a simple routine resolve my persisting problems? I was eager to find out. I got in touch with my old friend from Tokyo, who gave me direct contact to the group of experts. After several tries, I was able to reach the group's spokesperson, and he was kind enough to send me a comprehensive description of their remarkable techniques. The rest is history.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,